Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Jandy valve rebuild kit is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for maintaining your pool or spa equipment, ensuring smooth water flow and preventing costly repairs down the line. This video will guide you through everything you need to know before buying one, from understanding its components to identifying the right kit for your specific valve. Number 5. ATIE Pool 7056 Check Valve. This is the ATIE Pool 7056 check valve cover, a superior replacement for your Jandy check valve. It's designed for a long-lasting, leak-free performance. Upgrade your pool system with this enhanced check valve cover. It features a stronger spring and pin for superior tension and a more durable cover design. It's built to last. The cover is anti-crack and sturdy, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. This check valve cover is compatible with various Jandy models, including 7235, 7236, 7305, 7511, and 7512. Please check compatibility before purchasing. It comes with everything you need for a complete replacement: flapper, spring, pin, cover, and O-ring. Everything is included for a quick and easy installation. Remember, it is not compatible with Jandy Large Check Valve 7307 or Pentair 263042 check valve. Please double-check your model before ordering. What we like. It boasts an upgraded stainless spring and pin for superior strength and a reinforced cover to prevent cracks. If your old valve is weak or prone to breaking, this is the perfect upgrade. This ensures a long-lasting, reliable seal for your pool's plumbing system. What people say. Straightforward, easy DIY fix that saved both repair and long-term water cost issues due to backflow to illusion edge. Easy to install, less than 5 minutes, and looks exactly like original. Inexpensive compared to original part. Works so far. Let's see if it lasts. Direct replacement to the Jandy it replaced. Fixed my issue of pool and spa water level issue. Great quality and easy install. Number 4. Neverlube Pool Valve Kit 4720. This kit is a replacement for your old Jandy 2-port or 3-port diverter valve. It's easy to install and will have your pool running smoothly again. It fits Jandy Neverlube and standard 2 and 3-port valves, ensuring a perfect match for your system. It's the ideal replacement for worn-out parts. The kit includes everything you need: a diverter valve, O-rings for the shaft and cap, and a new black knob. Everything is ready for quick installation. Replacing your old valve is simple with this kit. Just follow the instructions, and you'll be enjoying your pool in no time. This kit does not fit Jandy's large diverter valves, 4718, 4719, or space saver valves, 3406, 3407, 3409. Please double-check your valve model before ordering. Get the Neverlube Pool Valve Kit 4720 today and restore your pool's efficiency and performance. It's a cost-effective solution for a smoother pool experience. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a complete valve replacement. It's designed for simple installation, saving you time and effort. If you need a straightforward solution for your Jandy valve, this is it. What people say. These replacements fit perfectly and sealed up great. They seem like equal quality to the originals. They operate smooth and stop my spa from draining down overnight. This Jandy rebuild kit fits perfectly on my Jandy Neverlube 3-port pump inlet diverter valve. Everything fits and works perfectly for an effortless repair work. Parts fit perfectly in Jandy valve and were much more affordable than Jandy replacements. Number 3. ATIE Neverlube Valve O-Rings Kit. Tired of costly valve replacements? This kit provides an easy and affordable solution for repairing leaking seals. It's compatible with many Jandy and Pentair valves. It fits a wide range of Jandy and Pentair valves, both 2-way and 3-way, with sizes from 1 to 1/2 inch to 2 to 1/2. Check the part numbers for a complete list of compatible models. Each kit contains 5 cover O-rings and 10 shaft O-rings, providing multiple repair opportunities. Everything you need for a quick and effective fix is right here. Repairing your leaking seals is simple with this kit. It saves you the time and expense of replacing the entire valve. Just replace the worn O-rings and you're good to go. This kit offers a budget-friendly alternative to expensive valve replacements. It's a smart and practical solution for maintaining your pool equipment. Get the ATIE Neverlube Valve O-ring kit today and keep your pool running smoothly. It's the reliable and affordable solution for all your pool valve repair needs. What we like. You get 5 complete sets of O-rings in this kit, providing excellent value and ensuring you have spares on hand. It's compatible with both Jandy and Pentair valves, offering broad applicability. If you're looking for an economical way to fix multiple leaky valves, this is your best bet. What people say. This kit is a perfect fit for the Jandy JVA 2440 valve that was leaking. Easy disassembly and replacement with these new O-ring seals. No more leak. These are just generic O-rings that I purchased for use on my pool equipment. Replaced them on my Jandy valves and they fit great and work fine. I had to repair gears on a Pentair actuator and found water on bottom of actuator box. This led me to find O-rings on Pentair 263028 valve were leaking and sending water up into actuator. To repair just need to remove 4 screws on actuator and additional 4 screws on valve cover with a Phillips screwdriver, or 8 screws on valve cover if don't have actuator, place handle on valve stem and use this to wiggle and remove cover off valve assembly. Take handle back off and detach cover from valve stem. Remove old O-rings, clean up stem and place new lubed O-rings. Replace old large O-ring for cover and reassemble unit and replace screws and actuator. Maybe took about 20 minutes total to repair. No more leak. Number 2. Jandy 3-way valve O-ring kit. This kit provides everything you need to replace worn-out O-rings in your Jandy 3-way valve. It's a simple and effective way to restore your pool equipment to peak performance. These are genuine Jandy replacement parts, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. You can trust it to keep your pool running smoothly. The kit includes all the necessary O-rings for a complete replacement. Installation is straightforward, saving you time and money. This kit contains all the O-rings needed for a thorough repair of your valve. No need to source parts individually. By replacing your worn O-rings, you'll restore the efficiency of your pool's valve system. It's a simple fix with big results. This kit offers a cost-effective solution to maintaining your pool equipment. It's a smart investment in the longevity of your system. What we like. This is a budget-friendly option for replacing worn-out O-rings. It's simple to install and a great value. If you're on a tight budget and just need to replace the O-rings, this is a great choice. What people say. These fit perfectly and were easy to install. Work great, no more bubbles. Fits perfect on the valve just how it was described by the seller and stopped the water leak that I had without any problems. Fit perfectly and a great replacement for the original on a Jandy valve. Number 1. Jandy Neverlube 4720 Diverter Kit. Is your Jandy Neverlube valve leaking or not diverting properly? This kit provides an easy solution. Before ordering, please measure your valve to ensure compatibility. Check the description for a list of compatible models. This kit includes everything you need to repair your valve, including replacement O-rings. Note that the 1/8 red plug is not included. It's designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and money compared to a full valve replacement. This kit is suitable for both 2-way and 3-way Jandy Neverlube valves. It's a simple and effective repair solution. It's a reliable, high-quality aftermarket replacement designed to restore your valve to peak performance. What we like. It's a comprehensive kit for replacing your Jandy Neverlube valve, including all necessary O-rings. It's designed to fit both 2-way and 3-way valves. If you need a reliable and affordable aftermarket replacement, this is a good option. What people say. Fit perfectly and works as expected. No more leak. These aftermarket diverters worked perfectly. The air bubbles in my pool pump basket are gone and the basket is still full of water after pool pump and turns off. This solved my problem and pool pump primes quickly now. I had a Jandy valve that was leaking at the top, up through the center of the handle. I replaced it with this, applying O-ring lube to every O-ring, and it all went together nicely, and now nothing leaks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.